Yo, what is up, everybody? It's Peace-I. Welcome to another video. I just turned on 0-day expiration trading, and I'm in the puts that I was in yesterday, but I bought 6 more. The reason I doubled down on my position was that I saw that RSI was very high, and it started to take a downturn. And I started to see the green bars in the MACD get a little bit smaller. It looks like it bounced off the upper Bollinger Band, and there's pretty high red volume right now. So what I think I'm going to do is actually take profits on these and go even more risky so I can just lose it all. So let's see how that works out. So these are at 205. I'm going to get rid of these 11 before it gets too high. All right, 205. Oh, come on, just take. All right, so that took. I'm going to go into the options, and I'm going to go for a 0-day to expire 499 put. And we're going to go ham. We're going to wait till the cash settles, and we're going to go 20 of these. Can I afford 20? No, I can only afford 19. 19? No, I can't. Oh, my gosh, 18. 18. Yeah, 18. There we go. All right, so we got 18 at 21. So let's see how those are doing. Wait, did we get them at 20 or 21? Oh, we snuck in at 20. All right, so now the price is at 123. So that's decent. We're going to need some severe downward pressure because these expire today. So by the end of the day, if it's not at 497.80, we are going to be basically at a loss, a deficit. All right, so there's the 25. Let's take a look at the overall price. 580, 590. All right, so RSI is continuing to trend downward, and the MACD is losing its power. I think this is a good position. You don't want to stay in these too long because obviously this is a 0-day to expiration, and you can get burned really bad. But, yep, just like right now, a nice light uptick. Hopefully it's just to shake out the put holders, but today it looks like it's going to be a bloody red day. I don't foresee it just skyrocketing into the green zone, but if it does, then we just lose our $2,000, which is fine, but not ideal, but fine. Sometimes you got to make mistakes to make money. Hovering around at the 501 mark, 501.09, 501.08, 501.02, 501 even. Yeah, that's great. Thanks. Okay, so we're below 501 once again, and then back above. This is so silly. The beginning of the market, like in the first like half hour, it's just trying to figure out what it wants to do, and we're only 17 minutes in. But yeah, this is a make or break right here. Ideally, I'm hoping to take the market for all they're worth. I'm predicting something in the 499 range, but we will see. It feels great to be able to day trade again. But it's plays like these that made me lose the ability. This could take a while. But at the same time, isn't it so exciting? Unfortunately, with 0 day to expire options, every second counts, because slowly you're going to reduce all of your theta down to 0. And, or wait, is it theta? I think it's theta. Your intrinsic value, or no, extrinsic value. Your intrinsic value is what you want, but your extrinsic value starts to go down as you approach the expiration. So this option will get weaker and weaker and weaker. But I wanted to get in something that was out of the money so that I could have the opportunity to get the huge gains that I expect to get. Because the options that make the most from big moves are the 0 day to expire, obviously, because the extrinsic value is already depleted and you just gain a ton of intrinsic value for big moves, whereas you're not getting that much for later to expire options. All right, so what I'm seeing here is that it's going back above 1, but we're still green on our option, which tells me that this is now becoming a more expensive option, which means that I forgot what it's called, but not the variability. I forgot the word. Volatility. The volatility is increasing, which is going into the options prices. And that is very good for us, because even if it does go up a little bit, we'll still be green, which is very important for keeping your sanity level at a certain height. Looks like it's just hovering around 580s and then not going any lower. Let's see why. Okay, it's bouncing off of what looks to be one of the moving averages. But the RSI continues to drop, and we saw our first bar on the MACD. Nah, this is a done deal. If it goes up, then I just lose, but this is like textbook downward pressure. But we shall see. There's the 501, 501.02. I really thought that we were going to keep on running and stuff, which is why I was in calls the other day, but my calls got destroyed. I was in 515 calls. And then towards the end of the day, I was like, all right, I can't do this anymore. So then I bought puts, and it kept on going down. So it's just like, you got to get a feel for it. Honestly, all those videos where I made like $100,000, that was just luck. Oh man. But yeah, we're gonna try and get back there with our luck powers. All right, finally breaking 580. We're in the 70s now. Now that the floor is broken, we can start to tank a little bit. And honestly, I hate making the money off of puts. I would much rather make it off of calls, because I live in America, if you guys didn't know, and I like our market to be inflated, even if it's artificially. Perception is like 90% of life, and if you look good, then better things happen to you. But I'm not going to sit around and watch my SPY shares decrease in value while I make no money in the process. Hopefully I can work my way up to 100 SPY shares, which would be really cool, because then I can sell calls. Or, well, one call, a covered call, that is. I do not advise selling naked calls, guys. If you have that options level, access on your brokerage account, you are above my level in terms of knowledge, probably, and ability to handle risk. Everyone has their own risk tolerances, though. Some of my earlier videos from like last month, you guys saw me holding options that were up 14,000, and I just watched them go up to positive 30-something thousand. I don't know. Yeah, I think it went to positive 30,000. That was an insane day. All right, 72, 74, 76. All right, so we're up 11%. Do we just call it and get out? 68. There could be some more downward pressure. Let me take a look at the close-up of the chart. And then for some reason, my chart, when I zoom... excuse me. Excuse me. When I zoom in like this and take a look at the RSI and the MACD and stuff, it stops moving. The price does not move until I go back. And then it updates again. So I don't know if that's a thing with Robinhood or what, but unfortunately it doesn't do that. But we got some high volume red bars, and the RSI continues to drop, and then the MACD is still down there. I really don't know what that means. We're seeing a little bounce back, which is probably good for us. Shake out a couple of the put holders that just bought in. Okay, there's 72, 71. All right, I'm a little bit more comfortable with this play. I don't think it's just going to shoot up. I think what the market makers are trying to avoid is... Who are they trying to avoid making profits? I wish it listed how many people were in these options, because let's see the open interest on this. Open interest is 11,000 holders of this one. The one below me is 7,000. The one below that one is 13,000. If I had to guess, just by looking at those three, they're trying to avoid people plussing too much off of the 497s, maybe the 496s. So this will be a slow bleed for sure today. But there's still money to be made. It's just that the ones that I chose, I don't think will end up in the money with the price that I got them at, because I got them at $1.20, and right now they're at $1.40. So I'm up 20 times 18. All right, so finally we're in the mid 500s. Does that make sense? You know what I mean. It's 500 and then 50 cents. 543 cents, 550 cents again. All right, and we're only up $400. You know, that makes me sad. Why are we only up $400? Maybe we should just exit this one and then try again another day. Oh, but if it's red all day... Well, okay, what's our break even? So we're 499 put. So our break even is 497. Yeah, we're never getting that. Honestly, I guess I'll wait for the reversal and then I'll exit the position. It's approaching the bottom Bollinger Band. You know what? I don't want to do this anymore. I'm selling. Yeah, and it's alerting me that I've gained some funds. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I'm getting out of here. It's going to skyrocket after I leave, but I do not care. I'm out of here. Give me my money. There it is. And sell, please. Give me my $400. Uh-oh, did I get my $400? I don't think so. Oh, man. No, it didn't sell yet. Did I miss the top? I called the top and then I missed it. 557. Yeah, we might have a bounce here. Okay, 140 per option, 138. Okay, so it's back up to 563. Yo, I'm pretty good. I literally called the bottom and I missed it by 1 penny. So that's pretty funny. And now my profits are no longer 400. They are 216, which is unfortunate. Now, do I change my option or my price target? Yeah, look at this. Look at that. That is unbelievable. Actually, I can believe it. They're probably looking at my my screen right now. They are so good. All right, so RSI starting to curve up a little bit. Let me see the volume. Volume is strong, actually. Oh my gosh. All right, so I have to leave some profits on the table, unfortunately. We're only up 180 now, but I think I cannot afford to stay in these, especially since they're 0 day. It could go down further today, but I just want to finish this play and then maybe go on to the next one, because I'm no longer comfortable with this as it drops 9 cents. All right, so we're back over 250. Do I just leave it? Maybe I just leave it. It's going to blow past it. No, maybe not. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. No, stop. All right, they were trying to shake people out. It went all the way up to 01. 501. That's crazy. All right, we're going to hit right now. That is too funny. I cannot believe that. Okay, so it was trying to get all the stop loss people out, and it looks like it worked for them. But yeah, I'm up 400 on that one. We're just going to leave it at that. And now it's tanking. Oh, my God. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe.